How would you like to carve out a niche six-figure business for yourself and become the go-to credit expert in your city? Welcome to CreditExpertPro.com, where you will learn from a nationally recognized credit expert to unravel the mystery of FICO scores and to reap financial rewards by helping others who have credit challenges. You will receive the training and support you need to run a successful business, starting with our credit expert who will teach you in person for 2 days and then support you via phone, email on a daily basis. You will become a credit expert yourself, and most importantly, learn how to separate yourself from the common generic credit repair outfits that rarely meet expectations. We will teach you how to create undeniable credibility within your industry, which makes it much easier to get and retain clients. The perfect candidate is 1. Coachable. You must be coachable and eager to learn a system that very few know and understand. 2. Enjoy meeting other professionals. We will teach you how and what networking opportunities will create the best professional relationships. 3. If you happen to have a background in finance or real estate, this will be a great addition to your skill set. 4. Cost. Must be liquid for $25K or have the ability to get financing. 5. Desire to help others. If you enjoy helping others, then you found the right business. We are helping individuals in a vulnerable position. After helping them, it's guaranteed you will make an impact on their lives, which feels great and creates ongoing referrals.